New day, a new sunset beach adventure from a new country. This is Piran and I am in Slovenia. And look at my beach spot for today. It looks absolutely stunning. I am on the very end here of the city of Piran, and you can see the lighthouse even there on the other side. Colorful houses all around, cafes, a beautiful old city that I have visited earlier. And even though they don't have a beautiful beach, there are so many entries like this kind of concrete steps into the sea. And the best part is that it is facing west, so you will have the perfect sunset. So yesterday I saw the sunset in Umag, Croatia, which is on the other side, around that bay actually. And today I came to Slovenia. So after arriving in Portoroz, I decided to check out Piran as well, which is just around 5 kilometers walk to get here. And yeah, I already took a swim in Portoroz, Slovenia, so this will be my second swim in Slovenia ever. Let me show you more around here on the beach before I go into it for a swim. If we have nice rocks here, and there is even lots of boats here at the port. So yeah, beautiful city indeed, and let's go in then for a swim into the sea. No, no, go in.
Stay here? You stay here?
Yes, go swim. Yeah.
You swim now?
Yeah.
Ah, okay, so we can stay here.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Sure, no worries.
Where are you going?
Yeah, but you can stay on the rocks.
On the left?
We can stay on the rocks. So yeah, beautiful view all around, and lots of people want to enjoy the perfect sunset. And yeah, Piran, Slovenia, picturesque beach adventure on the perfect sunset. Lots of boats passing by as well, and outdoor temperature currently it's 18 degrees Celsius, and in the sea it's around 22, as I have measured in Portoroz, that is just around the bay over there. So enjoy the view of Piran, and let's then go in for a swim. Amazing, beautiful sunset in Piran, Slovenia. Yeah, I will be here in Slovenia for 2 nights, 3 days. I will be visiting Portoroz where I'm staying, Piran now here, and on my way to Koper I'm gonna visit probably Izola. So perfect sunset indeed, and perfect beach adventure. So now it is 6:04, and according to Google the sunset will be at 6:25, so in around 20 minutes. Around this bay on the other side there is a nudist beach, lots of nudist beaches actually in Slovenia, but I realized that because that one is facing north there won't be any sun now, so I thought to catch the sunset in the best possible way from Piran. Look at the beautiful architecture. This is such a lovely beach spot indeed. Look at that, amazing. Yesterday in Umag I saw a perfect sunset, it was so beautiful. Let's see if here today in Piran will be the same. What else? Yeah, Portoroz, where I'm staying, it says that it only has 2,000 population, but there are lots of hotels obviously. And here in Piran, the population of Piran is 18,000, so a larger city. But whole of Slovenia is around 1 million. So not a big country, but lots of tourists here I have seen. Lots of people from Italy, from Croatia, from Germany, Austria, and yeah, Piran is such a lovely city. I will be coming maybe tomorrow as well on my way to the nudist beach on the other side. So that is a wrap from Piran with the perfect sunset here. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this episode with me. I'm gonna be streaming now a bit longer until the sunset. And yeah, make sure to tune in for more beach adventures on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris.